You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. You will need 1.5 meters of fabric for top and shorts. I use rayon fabric. Add seam allowance. I suggest 1 centimeter. Cut off this part to make front pattern. Sew shoulders and side seams. Sew sleeves. Sew decorative strings for clasp. My strings are 3.5 centimeters wide and 30 centimeters in length. Flip out this decorative string. Fold the edges of the pockets and sew it to the shirts. Pin the pockets for gluing for easier sewing.